Okay, love, so before I get started with the apartment tour, our new home for the next 15 months, I wanted to let you guys know our 15-month plan. And the reason why we ended up getting an apartment is because basically in September, we decided we were gonna move in together. And we wanted to move by December, by Christmas time. So we only had like a couple months to find a place and it took forever. We literally looked at like 12 to 20 apartments before we found this one. And originally, since we were trying to save money so that we can build or buy a house, we were gonna go with like the cheapest apartment we could find. But then we went to a luxury apartment. And after the luxury apartment, I was like, no, I can't do cheap. So we ended up getting this apartment, which is a lot more expensive than, you know, we wanted to go with. And it also has 3 bedrooms and we were supposed to get 2 bedrooms, but I'm really, really happy about it. I'm really, really happy about the choice. And I think we'll still be able to buy or build a house within the 15 months that we have because our lease is up in 15 months. So yeah, that's why we got an apartment instead of a house for right now. And we got 3 bedrooms because we needed a master, we needed my beauty room, and then he needed his command center where he, you know, does his work. He's a senior app developer, so he needs his monitors, computers, whatever. He's got a lot of stuff that he needs, so we needed a room for that. So I'm gonna get started with the tour right now. So as you can see, this is the front door of our apartment. And to the left and right are doors. So I'll show you what are in both the doors. We'll start with the door on the left. So here's the laundry room, which is huge. And as you can see, we have wood flooring in the front area of our house. I'm super happy that we have such a big and spacious laundry room because they had told us originally we were gonna have a stackable washer and dryer and it was gonna be like basically a closet. But instead, it's an actual room with a non-stackable washer and dryer, which I'm super happy about because I'll be able to wash comforters and bigger things and just do bigger loads. So on the other side of the door, the front door, is our coat closet. Right now it has some stuff in there. It has the stuff that I wore down here. And it has some of my hubby's stuff in there too. And then right next to our coat closet is our, what do you call this thing? Y'all, I can't remember what this thing is called, but you put food in it. I feel so dumb. But it has 5 shelves in here, so you can put your extra non-perishable foods in it. So let me close this door. And then now I'm facing from the doorway. This is what you see. As you can see, we have gray walls. I'm super excited about that because I want all gray everything in this apartment. Well, it's gonna be like all gray, black and white, I think. Here is the kitchen. We have stainless steel appliances. We have tons of storage for foods and dishes and all that stuff. So that's our stove, and it's a gas stove, an oven, our microwave, and then our refrigerator. And then our countertops are black. I really love our countertops. I feel like it won't show up dirt that well. So our countertops are black, as you can see, and it has like little speckles in it. And I wanted to show you guys my ring because I'm in love with it and it's not even focusing. Focus, focus, focus. So the story on my ring is I lost my engagement ring that he first bought me and he's still paying on, so I feel really bad. But anyways, he got me another one and I love this one. I think this is gonna be my forever one. I've been trying on different rings, trying to figure out which one I want, but I'm super duper duper in love with this one. So I think this is gonna be it. I love it. It's gorgeous. Oh, I love my ring. So yeah, anyways, the countertops have little speckles in it, as you can see. And then it has beautiful lighting. I love the modern lighting they have in here, and it's pretty bright as well. This is the lighting they have in the kitchen. So that's the lighting they have over here. And then this space over here is actually the dining room. I already have furniture, like all the furniture we need. So I don't plan to buy more furniture for this home at all. It's a table that holds 6 chairs we're gonna put in here. The only thing I might buy is a mirror to go on the wall, just so we can have a little bit of decoration on the wall. And then this is an open floor plan, which I love. So I love the fact that the living room is over here. So that's the living room. And like I said, we have furniture for the living room. I'm gonna be using the couches that I have already. The only problem with the couches I have already is they are leather and they're kind of tearing up or ripping up or peeling or whatever. So I'm gonna put gray couch covers, gray velvet couch covers over them and make them look brand new. I can't wait to see what the gray couch covers look like on the couch when I get the couch covers, because like I said, the walls are gray, so I'm gonna have all gray everything, and I'm super excited. And the cable people already came to hook up the cable so that we will have cable TV. And I think my hubby said that we have a 55-inch TV to go on this wall, so we plan to mount it. So then you go all the way over here, and this is the view we have, which I'm super excited that we get the view of the woods. I think it'll be perfect for pictures, because I really did not want to have apartment buildings in the background of my pictures. So if I go out on the balcony, I'll just have woods in the back of my pictures. There's also, you can see out there, there are some doors out there where you can store things that you don't want to store in your house, like my kids' cars and bikes and stuff like that. And then we can also put, you know, a little table and chairs out here for the summer so we can eat out on our little balcony. So our master bedroom is right here, and this is the master, and it is kind of small for my liking because we do have king size furniture, and our king size furniture is fairly large, but hopefully we can somehow get it to fit in here. I don't know why they made the master like one of the smaller rooms, but anyways. And then we have a closet, a walk-in closet. I just feel like there's so much space in this apartment for just storing anything you need. So this is a walk-in closet. And I'll probably be using like all the closets because hubby doesn't have that many clothes. Here is the master bathroom, which smells delicious since my hubby just got out the shower. It doesn't have the his and her sinks, which kind of sucks, but we can work with it. I'm gonna have all my nighttime routine stuff over here. He's gonna have his stuff over there, and then we have, you know, just one sink. But I'm gonna have, you know, no makeup in here because I don't want to get it like messy with makeup. And of course there's storage down here, and then there's also wood flooring down here, and there's a piece of carpet right there. But of course the toilet. And then it has the stand-up shower, which is wet because of hubby. So now let's exit the master bedroom. Now we are going to show you the other 2 bedrooms in this apartment. I'm going to start off with my beauty room, which is huge. We kind of made a mistake because hubby decided to put the cable in here because he thought we were going to use this as the master, but I think we're going to use this as the beauty room, so we have to switch the cable over to the other room. But the reason why we were going to use this as the master is because it's so large. Look how big this is. It has 3 windows. So this is gonna be one big beauty room if we do decide to keep it as the beauty room. The only way that we will not keep this as the beauty room is if the furniture doesn't fit in the master, then we'll have to bring the furniture over here. So there's a ton of lighting that comes in this room, which I love because there's 3 windows. And then again, a walk-in closet. I don't know why they didn't make this the master. And so this is the walk-in closet. And then we have the bathroom that's off of the beauty room. Oh, hubby put his stuff in here. And I can see hubby in the mirror. You can see him right there. I told him to move all the stuff out the way, and he put it in the bathroom. Anyways, here's the bathroom. This bathroom is for the 2 rooms that are on this side. Basic bathroom with wood flooring, toilet, and this has the tub shower, which is why I really wanted this not to be the master bedroom, because my kids use the tub shower and the stand-up shower is what we use. So yeah, we'll have to figure that out. As you can see, you can walk through the beauty room into the bathroom, but the other room has access to this bathroom as well, because there's another door, so we can close that door and come back out and go into hubby's, I always forget what he calls this, command center. So this is where he'll be doing his work from home. And like I told you guys, he's a senior app developer, I think. So yeah, this is where he'll have all his stuff to do his work. And here's another closet. Y'all, I'm gonna have like so much closet space, it's gonna be insane. Actually, I think he might use this closet. Is this enough closet space for you? And then I can use all the rest of the closets. So yeah. But we're gonna get his clothing game up, because he has like a week's worth of clothes and that's it. So he's gonna get more clothes soon. I'm gonna make sure I take him shopping. Ooh, the sun is coming in so nicely. So yeah, that is our apartment. I'm so excited. So I'm not doing Vlogmas obviously, but I'll do a few videos showing you guys how I put this apartment together. We're gonna go buy a tree for the corner over here, I think. Like right there, we might put our tree. And also I wanted to talk about the carpet. A lot of people love wood flooring, but me personally, I love carpet because my kids like to run around too much and they're always tripping and falling and busting their lip, and you can't bust your lip on carpet. You can only bust your lip on wood flooring. So I'm happy there's not too much wood flooring. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my apartment tour. And in 15 months, you guys will be seeing my house tour.